Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Take out the hub. Disconnect the instrument terminal. Use a 3 mm hex key to unscrew the screws that fix the instrument. Remove the instrument. Install the instrument. Screw in 2 fixing screws. Insert the instrument terminal back vertically. Align the raised part of the hub with the groove on the headstock and install it. Reinstall the forehead bottom plate. Adjust the front light to the highest position. Screw in the fixing screws. Adjust the headlight to an appropriate position. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.